We will start this chapter with a short introduction, moving on to describe the effects of radiation at a molecular level. The effects of radiation at molecular levels, we will look at direct effect, indirect effect, types of radiation damage, the effects of radiation at cellular level, and the effects of radiation at organic level. The effects of radiation can be observed at three levels: molecular, cellular, and organic. We will analyze radiation effects at these three levels. At the molecular level, ionizing radiation can alter the molecular structure of important substances. This can affect the function of cells within the body. Some effects of ionizing radiation are direct, but many are indirect in nature. What takes place at the molecular level can be observed at the cellular level. The severity of cellular response to radiation is related to the type of radiation as well as the amount. Organic effects of radiation are those that can be observed at the macroscopic level. These have been observed in insects, animals, and human beings, atomic bomb and nuclear reactor victims. On the molecular level, we will discuss direct versus indirect effect of ionizing radiation. When ionizing radiation interacts with a critical component of a cell, such as DNA, the result can be impairment or death of the cell. The types of damage to genetic material are as follows. Effects on DNA are mutations, base deletion, substitution, hydrogen bond disruption, single strand breaks, double strand breaks. It is well known that ionizing radiation causes chromosome aberrations. Chromosome aberrations are abnormalities in the structure or number of chromosomes, where part of a chromosome can be moved, forgotten, or reversed. It is important to note that chromosome aberrations are often responsible for genetic disorders. Cell damage due to direct action occurs when radiation interacts directly with the cell's essential molecules, the DNA. Radiation energy may damage cell components such as cell walls or DNA. DNA is found in every cell and consists of molecules that determine the function that each cell performs. When radiation interacts with the cell wall or DNA, the cell either dies or becomes a different kind of cell, possibly even a cancerous one. In most cases, radiation damage does not result from radiation interacting directly with cell components. On the contrary, secondary effects are responsible. Since the human body consists mostly of water molecules, if and when X-ray radiation interacts with the body, it will more than likely interact with water molecules. The result is the production of substances that are highly reactive, free radicals, and the formation of toxic compounds. Free radicals. Normally, molecules are not left with an unpaired electron, but when weak bonds split, free radicals are formed. They are very unstable, so they steal an electron from another molecule, which then in turn becomes a free radical itself. This process continues, causing the death of the living cell. After ionization of water molecule, several things may occur. One, a positively charged water molecule may recombine with an electron to form a stable water molecule. No damage will occur. Or two, the electron may join with another water molecule to produce a negative water ion. Three, if number one does not occur, you are left with an unstable positive water molecule. Or if number two occurs, you are left with an unstable negative water molecule. The final result will be the formation of an ion pair and two free radicals. As we mentioned previously, cell damage due to indirect action occurs when radiation interacts with water molecules, which are roughly 80% of cells' composition. Radiolysis of water, liquid water or steam, is a dissociation of water by chemical decomposition into hydrogen and oxygen in the form of H and OH free radicals under the effect of intensely energetic radiation. The cleavage results from the electronic excitation of the water molecule during the ionization phenomenon. The free radicals often combine with other molecules to induce oxidation reactions. The H radical has a nucleus and an unpaired peripheral electron. It combines to yield hydrogen 2. The OH radical combines with itself to yield H2O2, which is a very effective oxidant. These are known as the auto-oxidation phenomena. The presence of oxygen accentuates the oxidation phenomena. Oxygen concentration is a radiosensitivity factor. Results of the radiolysis of water are listed here. An X-ray photon plus water yields a hydrogen ion and a hydroxyl radical, a solitary electron. 2, an electron plus water yields a hydrogen radical and a hydroxyl ion. The interaction of radiation and water results in the formation of an ion pair and two free radicals. So, as a summary, at the molecular level, the types of radiation damage that may occur are the following: base deletion, substitution, hydrogen bond disruption, single strand breaks, double strand breaks, restitution, deletions, substitutions, inversion, transpositions, ring chromosomes, or eccentric dicentric fragments.